can control your body. We don't know that you have the power. If you control your water, even with the power to lie down back that dick. If you want your dick to fall, it will fall down. Yes. Yes, that's what is called control. You can talk to your penis because you were erection. Okay? Look at how sex works.
Welcome to be a Parlour discussion. And I'm the
Blessing CEO.
Why got G?
None the 5G na art nonsense, but I worry for men.
Oh, what FM?
So because you can't go to a deal or simple canary address, much canary address, or because. Now, parting the all Labunia and all Labunia and all Labunia. No one council, no more than offer, or the and the problem happened. No, they keep music up, you cannot go all the time. No, never may share on our solar. No, only 5 John. Monya go tell you a sex door. Sex door. Go in a short. Sex door. Go in a alternate.
Okay, sex drugs.
Doll. No, doll baby. Doll baby. You can't never. Auto rubber.
Yeah, sex toys now. Sex toy.
Doll. Doll baby. Sex doll baby. Iman can come working. Nkunu have sex toy, nkan wa bu mu oke sex doll. Akwa na pe. Ana be kwa time with Von. Tizie ya, ticha ya la. Oh, ifunu here. Ana eri agi ana na o di miss pe me ba condom sense. Oh yeah. So imago na onye no side ya. So ọ na aju bigo. Na nwoke ma na mgbe ọbụna kwakwu. Ya nwa ada agata kuzi ije ọfụma. Na onwe ka e ga-esi wee mee the thing or side ya. You must okay, boot walk on the man. No? Then buy some auto rubber. The piano no. Fight tire na kilo. And okay, well now or the is it a good idea?
The thing about sex doll, now sex doll is very addictive. If he starts
all the addictive,
he might just divert. It's very addictive. So I don't even advise that.
I don't want
to distract him. Cultural force don't get me a distract.
If they can be
connected, walk, any other thing that can distract him mentally.
Okay, what you
know, sex is about the mind. It's your imagination, it's your head. You can distract yourself.
When you are, even some women are sexy like crazy, you know. So she's one of them, you know. So when you are only sexy, so she's one of them.
Self-controlled, all of us we like sex. So if you leave every woman, they want to always have sex. But the ability for you to control yourself is what makes you a human being now. So you must learn it. I won't run have sex at the root. So if you allow women want to have sex morning every 10 hours or every 10 minutes. But the ability to control yourself is what makes you a human being, what makes you a mature person.
Mbunu na ya bụ otu ana osu na alabakwa dị otu na alakazi dị otu. Na ọbụrụkwa ihe o mere expect in the beginning. Ịmago mgbe o meet the person, ya nwa bụ ihe na emekwa na agarakwa otu agarakwa. Anyị bidozi alabazi ajọ ọ dịzie sex. So nyanwa na onye ka nna agwa gị ihe to go bụ ụdị ndị a na-abụ ọ gafee gị n'iru like this. Ọ gafekwakwa eze. Ihe to ụmụ ndị ọ ga-abịa ibisi aka kịta ịnenekwa ọ dịghị ka imetụbede ya aka sị ọ da-agbụ. So ọ na-achọ ife a ga-eme nwoke ma marụ ọ bụrụ na a ga-achọ ọ ga-achọrọ ya ncha ka ọnya gote because me I think nwa ụmụ masaji ọyịla ọnọkọta fụ nwoke gbe ọwara aka nọ gbalisie nye ọ dọrọ ka ọ dị mma were aka ọ bụrụ hand job.
Mba addiction adịrọ mma ihe ọbụla ime too much adịrọ mma. Do you understand? Ihe ọbụla good sex adịrọ mma at all. So there must be a way to control. You understand? Because if you go there sex doll, or you go there yancha, it's still making him addicted because he's still addicted to that doll. All man now fancies the girl anymore. So it's just to help him control himself and to distract him a little bit.
Okay. So now be cool. Oh. Good. Okay. So what about the advice? I'm advice that's a therapist. Oh, catch all work my figure a weapy out. Oh, my allow a
yes, we should do. I will not allow the court here. Can the woman make herself scarce? Do you understand?
Okay, you know we are scarce.
Yes. And you know the crazy thing, your relationship, worry about sex. There'll be nothing to contribute. Relationship woman. There's still so many other things you can do that will be exciting apart from here. Control yourself.
Control. Onya bobancha onya jebe nilo. Isa no na this thing
Can what you waga? When it comes to yabianas, sex, right? Go
ahead.
When it comes
Go
to
ahead.
People don't know that they have power. You can control your body. We don't know that you have the power. If you control your water, even with the power to lie down back that dick. If you want your dick to fall, it will fall down. Yes. Yes, that's what is called control. You can talk to your penis. Because you were erection. Okay? Look at how sex works. In
I hear you. Yeah, life and direct.
Water when sex is in the mind, is in the head. See how sex works. Before you want sex, before you try around mad, you are imagining, you are painting pictures. I can't wait to grab her, I can't wait to hold her. Your head. Oh, that's imagination. When was the erection?
Okay. Because where is penis remote control?
So
Makana nya move.
Oh, him not try cover. Oh, when they now water on a hand with control to their armor. If you understand this control as a man, all this is not about cheating, not infidelity. When you understand this control, you'll be able to stick to one woman. Some men actually feel that they can't control themselves.
Bless you. Even my person, I love you so much. But my wife can't be yoku. In what if I put you know, take it up. Never fed in job. You know who control. Yeah. Do you know the caliber of men? Oh, you cannot do more. Give one year, or young one.
Oh, I am not saying, okay, well, I pull you to let me give you an example. Let's assume that in erection, I'm going to pull out of chim. In my thumb down, they make ticketing, nothing. Now, in my game, if you want your erection to drop,
give one big of one a very remote control.
Just think of something bad that has happened to you.
Okay, something bad.
Or think of the cross of Jesus. I'm giving out that flat. Allah. Try it. Try it one day. If you have a serious erection, just distract yourself. Just remember one bad incident that happened to you. Your penis is going to drop. Try it one day.
These bad incidents, you know, I need to get that person needs to get a very nice one. Take karaka because
the sex is in your head. Even when you are even having normal sex, oh, we can say kwakana dog. Give me another dog. So sometimes if you are having sex, man, now kwaka so men will be doing fast. Let them just come. Do you understand? You need to distract yourself if you're having erection, even during sexual intercourse. That's why sometimes when you want to have sex, you go to a quiet place. The thing was so nice until come. I was trying to ignore it. No, mommy, open it up. The excitement just died. I just dried.
Nke a eziokwu because ọ bụ maka orukwara na oh yes. Nke a eziokwu. Like ihe ị na-ekwu na onwe ị na-ame na anything. Enwe some like nwatakịrị na-ebe akwa, trust me, abụ m page man enwe those kind of nwatakịrị na-ebe nga. That's not the kind of sound you want to hear. I'm even inside there.
So when you feel that way, just distract yourself. Just think about something and distract yourself. Yes.
Your feelings will drop. But if you are going to actually okay, I want to it happen. If you can why. Ina si onwe gị wepụ uche gị ebe a, wepụ uche gị ka ị na-ekwu ya ịnọgo na trouser gị. Ị na-asị ya emebọkwana m anọ m n'iro kwanyere onwe gị n'ime onwe gị na-ayị ya biko asị ya kwanyere onwe gị ugwu anọ m n'ilo bifo ị na-amị na-aga ife ihe ga ọ na-eme ka ọ daa n'ihe na-ekwu ife ihe ga just dọrọ gụnwa chọbazie ebe ị na
he who made that time with a phone, making as a call, but by your business partner.
Oh, what business partner?
Is except you actually want to have sex, you don't want to distract yourself. But if you want to distract yourself, you're not having that feeling. Call someone. Business partner. One maggie, just one maggie. See a mommy, give you an mommy. I'm gonna.
You see, you get what to be now here because now see.
In a biko with your mouth, but your mind is still there.
What the one is blood your easy. Unu bo mwa masiama. Unu disiegu.
In my hand, about self-control. Self-control is intentional. Intentional simply means is an effort. Everybody can be loose. Okay. What is fidelity? Fidelity is that intentional act that I'm not doing it, but I want to put in an effort not to go there. I'm not doing it. Do you understand? So I'm not saying it's easy, but you need to make that intentional act to say, because if you keep going for everything you like, you will end up getting into trouble. Do you understand? A lot of men have too many children today because of that lack of self-control, and they are regretting. So you need to make that intentional effort. We're on the road, we're on this.
Just not to as well, only why you can talk. I emphasize that before I move. Obro not easy. That word. Easy. So you talk. Imago. Only still other things get help. Macaranya be fair. Move, go fail. Go
the easiest way to have self-control is number one. Control at the reason, right? Good. Okay, but the easiest way to have control is to always remind yourself, about consequences. Consequences simply means always tell yourself, if I do this thing now, I'm going to regret it in the long run. I know the great thing about sex. Sex doesn't even take up to 5 minutes. You can have sex for 5 minutes that will ruin your entire life.
Only part in our time, bless. If you have animal for men not na comment section, na say ni otra one can never almost a function well. No, only they say ammo is 90% unstoppable. 90. All they have even no more one. Only keep the easy, even able one. On a doing control easy. See you more than the moon. What we tell you. But if you want
the reason why OGD can came okay the uncontrollable is because a man's penis is visible. When their penis stands, you can see it. A woman,
that's the problem.
Like a woman, 90% of women are more horny than men.
Where's your
Yes, But the difference is that our body is different. Even when we are wet, even when we want it, you don't know except you touch us. That's the difference. That's what you think. A lot of women too are 90% wet. I'm telling you that women even want sex more than men. The difference is that our bodies are different. One is the wet, imama. But when you're in a restaurant, I'm telling you the honest truth. What are you talking about?
Okay, but I women have mini penis too. Man, how they show it, or they show.
It's hidden now. A woman's body is more hidden. Yeah. So the what you now see is not easy. It's not easy. Okay, let me give you an instance now. Okay. If you travel outside the country, you're outside the country. For you to know that it is easy for you to control yourself, if there is a strong law in a country, you will respect yourself. Yeah. I know of a friend of mine that traveled outside the country, told me that for 2 years he has not knocked a woman. Because all these white girls, they have trouble. Small thing, they'll say you have raped them and put it together court. For 2 years. A lot of Nigerian men are saying it's not easy because we're in a lawless society. If we have laws, you will control yourself because there are consequences. Hey. You will control that your man that is standing. That's what I think. The problem, they will control themselves, but waga soapy the answer. You do a show. Blessing, God, here we call. You have never experienced such thing in your life. Hey, Obia. Onadika. Obanje.
Juafa, fantasy about whom came in and never drop. Amo. Ina ya biko. Yes, it is serious, Nasia. When you room, equally may. It's okay, focus. Can I show you focus? Amo, now, but. Either you jack off, you got a buncher, or you got 1 mirror, but give buncher too much. Give buncher too much. The essence of give buncher is just to relieve yourself. That's in my end, when you don't have sex for so long as a man, when you have a walk on G, sometimes you need to pour out that smell. You need to jack it out. So you can masturbate. I'm talking about sex. You can masturbate to jack out. Sometimes, Waga, you are not masturbating to enjoy it. You are masturbating to jack out. Just to weapon, just to free yourself. Just to get relief. That's what you're doing. That's okay, it's controllable. Only I see is controllable. I want a man to tell me how he actually controls it. I not tell the man. You do. The only thing in Onya amanjin chane ogana agbogo. Because that thing never begins to go back. Onya hosidi that my friend this again or lab mad for 2 years. Us in the inshan our body set on our body self is once in a while. You know why? Because he's working almost 3 to 4 jobs. Oh. So by the time he comes back, he's fagged out. Now sometimes he says he masturbates to sleep when he can't sleep. Thank you. So when he's tired, it's not because he wants sex, but he just wants to relax. You know, sex helps you. So let's therapy. You're not masturbating because you want sex. You just want to sleep off. So there are different reasons why you do this. Even the stress they got there. Even and then I say and I roar. When we got there exhausted, you can't sleep unless you call. Unless that you put that thing. I don't get now where they relax. I will be able to walk idiot. So if from that moment you can walk it. Open off on your gala. God who made me. Oh God, Lord, okay. If that's a hardworking man, wow. Teach on one gala like this off her. You see that back here. That's what I'm saying. Because you can't sleep. That's why we are open to masturbation. Instead of you to go and rape somebody's child or to go and misbehave, just jack off. That's why you go this business. I will masturbate because a lot of men who pay prostitutes end up regretting it.
Because you'll be afraid of a lot of disease, a lot of, I don't know how people actually do, but instead of me to pay a prostitute, I would rather jack off because I will not enjoy it. You cannot saw. Yes. I rather masturbate than pay a prostitute. I don't know about others, but more, I'm trying to like you, someone I'm connected to. I don't know how to do casual sex with somebody I don't like. To be very honest.
Oh, blessing.
Before I have sex with you, I must like you. Be you who, if you like, be the governor of be the president. I must like you. We must connect.
If you know, I will not doubt you. But on a more serious note, before getting a mother, I love you to car. What can I meet here now? Most especially in BDCI. Every day I love you. I will go to that. Yeah, and I say, stop, break here. Where is control? That's what I'm saying. Where is control? The only time you can actually control your fact, now I don't know tapu. When was that? That's the major problem. Because here I am working out for a long time. He can actually even hold better than onye na allow to study. Akwema, onye na allow to study can even hold. Onye na allow to be a long time can hold better, can hold yourself better. Like onye really for 2 years. Ọkpọchigo na olufugo ka o si atọ, oluteresi ka o si atọ. Mba maazi ka o si atọ.
Wagaji.
Okay, because we see
ezigbo mmadụ birike. I hail you.
Okay, so one straight to the question.
Waga ka ntị ọnụ n'okwu a biko igwe wala gị ka ntị ọnụ n'ime okwu a. Waga n'iru chukwuriru mmadụ. Waga ihe blessing na-ekwu mụ eweghị ya. Waga ijege. Agara m hiri nọ na-ekwu waga ijege bilie obiliele. Waga ọ dịrị izi a na-asị control onye ọrụ a na-ekwu control ọ dịkwa n'izi waga control ya ọwụ moto ka ị na-anya ihe ọ bụrụ moto ka ị na-anya isi ga control moto na-anya moto n'ọma ihe enweghị brek
total different entity. It's living outside your body.
Ọ na-achọ ebe ọ ya akwụ onwe ya n'ọkụ. Ọ dịgidere ekwu onwe ya n'ọkụ before ya ekwu
Okay. No wahala, my man.
Hey,
that's the problem.
A lot of men do not understand. In my honesty, aware of control, actually, in way control, that is your penis. It is your manhood. It is an organ. This is how it works. It is an organ. It is your body. It is your head.
Okay.
You cannot have an erection without an imagination, without thinking about something. Actually, before your penis stands, there is something you are thinking about. It starts from here. From here. So there is.
Can I get somebody?
You can control what begins from here. You can if you want to. You can control it.
Check up Angel. Because can I get on a more serious note? Yeah,
Thank you.
This is going to now. I need to put you straight up.
Angeloma, you are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Because
No, I love this your hair.
Thank you.
I think I'm gonna go na badia again. That she go to me because he natural. I am.
So ihe ọ na-ekwu ọ dị right.
The right na control because nwoke ọbụna otu anwaanyị the human being ka ewu and that's the truth. And the human being ihe mere iji wee dị iche na anụmanụ nke bụ na ịfụ ọkụkọ jere ha na ọmagoro ewu gbagha n'ọba nke ihe mere anyị ji dị iche ebe ụmụ anụmanụ nọ bụ control ya. Ihe mere na ị nwere amamihe na onwe gị si onwe gị mba enwe ọnya mere ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ na-eme ihe ọjọọ ihe dịka ịmagoro nwunye mmadụ ịmagoro ụmụazụ ime nke a bụ nke ọzọ ịfụgo kịta nke ka ha si wee kọntrol ya na ha emeghị ya ọkwọ ya na isi ha gwara ha nke a adịghịkwa mma emeghị ya na-agbanweghị ya ọ bụrụ na anwụ akwụrụgo kpakam o nwere nke m na-akpụ point of no return. Enwere nke m na-akpọ point of no return. Ọ bụrụ na o ruo na level ahụ ịmago na agafego anyị ejiwa arịọ makwuo jee one corner ije one corner ijetu ebe ahụ ije wepụgodi nke dị important wee meekwa ihe ị na-eme ọbụyatago nke ahụ
legwe ikwu ka m jụọ gị ajụjụ isi na onwe ruo a point of no control before you get to that point like what I said ihe na-eche before you put yourself in a point of no control why you put yourself in that point when you know you don't have the right this thing you can put yourself in that point when your woman is waiting or when you have a show why put yourself in such point
ọ bụrụ atị ikwu eziokwu na mbido ka ị ga-control ọ bụrụ mgbe ahụ ịkwụgoro ji gị gba ihe na-asị gị nna nkwa ihe ya nwebe m na-eje ị na-asịgoro ya nna kuda na gịnịkwanụ kuda ọ na-ene gị
gịnị a ga-enwe one on one na-akparị na-ayi ama biko
mana e nwere ihe m kwuru na comment section nsị gị na ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke na-emefa pụọ n'iro fụ nwaanyị ọfụ ukwu ahụ ukwu nwere abụba ka na-enwe ntị ọ na-afụrụ anya ya ka ọ na-aga anya niile achọdo ebe ị ga-achọdokwa ya na-asị na stop this mana anya gị dị ebe afọ the truth bụ na ọ ya na-awọk enwere ihe bleblee kwuru ebe anụma make sense ọ sị ka ozugbo ịfụ ha n'ukwu a nwere nta ịmago na ị nọ n'iro n'ihe anyị disappoint gị ijiri nwayọ egubite ọtọ were fonu gị kpọwa biznes
netu anya
you distract yourself immediately. There was a day this boy info. This tights that you can see a man's manhood. Do you understand? For this guy. Now my head. You see until a man now double crossed me and hits the bonnet of my car. I came back to life. Control.
Bless. Getting to point of no return.
So hold on. You actually needed an extra force of a
to bring you back. You're not getting to point of no return. Okay, ajụjụ ịjụ na mbido bụ na enwere nwoke nwaanyị ya na-complain na ọ na-eme ha too much. Na ihe ahụ ọ na-eme
ọkụ na-nwuzi ya n'ike na nwoke ma ntụ efena.
Bless ka ọ control. Enwere other things o nwere ike ime. Ọ bụrụ na ọ nwaanyị ka m na-enye advice kịta. Hey, 5G na-enye blebble nsogbu. Sorry. No, anyị na-ahụ gị nneọma. Ọ bụrụ na nwaanyị ka m na-achọ inye advice, ọ ya adị iche ihe mma gwa nwoke. Ọ bụrụ nwaanyị m ga-asị ya try ya ka i boost kwa your libido and communication is very important. Ịkparịta ụka na-enye aka
I take the first one. Can rush out the first one. This is boost libido or the possible.
Yeah. Yes, you can boost your libido now. Anyway, so
Okay,
many ways to
boost libido.
Yes. Anyway, the fruits and vegetables. Okay, for watermelon.
No boost libido.
Watermelon. Try ya. Ina-ata watermelon. Atụpụkwa na mkpụrụ ya tinye nọ na-ata ha ncha niile takọsịa ya jee nene onwe ma ọ tụga ya na-agba mmiri ọ na-eboost libido.
Watermelon ma mkpụrụ ya
so nwaanyị nwere ike iboost kwa libido ya mana na-agbanweghị na ị na-eboost libido gị nwoke na nwaanyị o nwere ụmụ nwaanyị na-adịrọ as a lot of sexually active ka nwoke ọ ya na-eme sometimes chekwa na ịnụ nwaanyị ma ọ chọọ ịnụ nwoke nụkwa na onye ngị na ya dịtụ compatible nwere ụmụ nwoke na-amara eme nwaanyị jere ịnụ nwoke ahụ oje nwaanyị ahụ ya na-ama abụba oge ọbụla ọfụ ha n'obere ihe ụta ahụ amanye ojewe nụọ nke bụ na imetụ nwoke aka ọ sị gị na this woman ya disturbing me nwekwa na ụmụ nwoke dị opposite ịchọrọ ịnụkwanụ nwaanyị ịchọrọ ịnụ di try ya nọta nke ụnụ na-abụ dị compatible ọ na-adị mkpa ọ sị gị ha afa ngị wee kụnye nke mana nke a bụrụgo nsogbu communication bụ number 1 issue ị ga na-communicate na ọ bụrụ na that man understand ya na arụ gị ọ hụrụ gị n'anya wee nụọ gị ihe ọ kwesịrị ịbụ amụrọspa maka ndị nụrụ ha onye nke a nọrọ kafanchan onye nke azụ nọrọ ebe nwa na-eme na ọsọmsọm ọ hụrụ gị n'anya for the fact na ọ hụrụ gị n'anya ọ kwesịrị ịghọta na arụ gị agaghị eteki all the sexual things ọ na-eme almost every night maka na ọ na-afụ otu then o nwere ike adị bleble nke a wee ebe mụ na gị ekwetere o nwere ike adị sex toy. Yes. Addiction is possible. I'm not against. Ihe ọbụla nwere addiction, even ịla otu ahụ nwere addiction. Mana na-agbanwe ya sex toys na-adị very handy, especially for those that need it. More personally, I always encourage couples, no brothers of mine, okay, to have toys for themselves. On enhance the sex. More no women wear.
What are this? A man who
I go to the adult baby.
More Simba. Because he's already addicted. When he starts to knock the door baby, he might drift away from the woman and move to the door. Do you understand? That was my time.
Okay.
Ihe kwuru bụ Mike, marakwa na ọ bụrụ ụmụ nwoke niile na-achọ dị dọọ bebi afọ. Nke a bụ nke nwaanyị na-eche n'isi. Ọ ngotere ya dọọ bebi. O nwere ike ịgba nwoke asị ya na ọ chọrọ kwudo nke bụ dọọ bebi. Achọrọ m maka ọtụtụ ụmụ nwoke achọrọ ebe m fụkwara otu juru ebe niile esi m jee gote dọọ bebi na gịnị na.
Na-enye menu. Nke mụ amagoro bụ na nwoke ama function cham well with the baby. Ọ ka nwoke mmanụ ọjọọ so kama ọgbọ ncha. Ihe na-afụ ga-ede setụrụkwa n'okwu a dịka ncha.
It's not only the baby that men have a sex toy. Oh, we can afford
other things men get access to.
Very easy. On the touchlight. I don't have
several ones.
The touchlight.
Stroker. Nke a na-akpọ stroker. Yotago?
Yeah. Ndị anụ na-ele watermelon. Unu emekwana ka watermelon garaba ọnụ. Ekwukwa watermelon na. Otu a ka esi kwuo ejine the other time na dara ejine kokpọ. Ekwugo watermelon na ọ garabago ọnụ. What is all this? Ndị mmadụ ejighọ ntị ama asị na nke a na-ekeni amụ ọ na-agba mmiri achụ ya. So
ewepụkwanụ nke ahụ ịgba ncha dị ebe ahụ mana marakwa na ịgba ncha otu azụ bless wee kwuo na masturbation na addiction dị real. You can also get addicted to ịgba ncha.
Ịgba ncha dị addictive.
Overall ihe dị important overall bụ ihe ama bleble kwuo na mbido, which is control. Mana abịa na control enwezi mgbe once in a while you cannot manage it. You need to know good here.
Ala pụọ mmadụ. Agha maka ala pụọ mmadụ ndị bụ.
Ụtagodi control na ọ dị mkpa. Ọ bụrụ business otu wee kwuo ije mewe business. Ị na-ide ka ije chọọ ije farm. Ijewe farm.
Okay.
By the time you buru ọgụ, zụọ ọgụ 2 times, ịbata ukwu agbado ị ga-agbado nke
o mechazie ihe niile ike gwu ya. O mechazie ihe niile ike gwu ya.
Ugwu ọgbanga ahụ na-eme gị ka isi gbawa anyị.
Okay. So I think we are coming to a conclusion on this issue. I think no masturbation gets settled on your issue. And control. Mission.
Ka ntụnyezikwa azụ ọzọ. Nke a bụ for few people selected. Ịma na ị nọrọ na nke a gwara anya gị tụnje ebe ọzọ.
Okay.
Enwere ndị na-spice their relationship in different ways. For example, ịmalụ na ị gara emecha n'ihe dị na ya. Ị nwere ike for ndị chọọ ya because sex bụ an agreement or consensual.
O nwere onye na-asị ashawo is important for me.
Mba, nke ashawo anara adị